Technology is moving fast, really fast. And while this opens up exciting new opportunities, it can also serve as a key enabler for our adversaries who regularly use this technology against us. Keeping us safe from these threats is the responsibility of our crisis responders, police, fire, medical, and military. Non-governmental organizations, such as the Red Cross, also play a vital role. This community of professionals who risk their lives to keep us safe should have access to the best capabilities, but in many cases they don't. The technology used by our military and first responders often lags significantly behind that which we use in our homes, offices, and schools. The reason for this is that governmental organizations tend to lack agility and have many barriers that stifle innovation. Such barriers include access-controlled facilities that make collaboration difficult, restricted computer networks that prevent organizations from being able to experiment with the latest technologies, bureaucracies with their slow decision cycles, and acquisition processes that make it nearly impossible for our most innovative small and medium enterprises to participate in government tenders. And yet the world evolves around us at a relentless pace, and our adversaries who don't have these constraints are gaining the advantage. It's time to break down the barriers. Introducing the Defense Innovation Greenhouse, a not-for-profit international organization with the mission of fostering innovation and collaboration and collectively developing modern technical capabilities for its members in the crisis responder community. The Greenhouse aims to create an ecosystem comprised of end-user communities, innovative firms, both small and large, academia, and service providers, such as legal and accounting firms, venture capitalists, and companies that specialize in helping startups apply for government grants and subsidies. It would be impossible to assemble this diverse set of stakeholders inside the offices of a traditional government organization, which is why we are building a world-class innovation and collaboration center in The Hague, Netherlands, the international city of peace, justice, and security. The center will be strategically located next to the NATO Communications and Information Agency, a facility that houses hundreds of the world's most experienced military IT experts. In fact, this is the only location in the world where a non-NATO building is connected under the same roof to a fully accredited NATO compound, creating unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and giving the 28 NATO member nations an ideal location to co-innovate with us. We hope to also attract first responders and non-governmental organizations to collaborate with us in the facility, along with EU organizations such as Europol and the European Defense Agency. One of the most exciting value propositions of the Greenhouse is the Innovation Bridge, a cloud-based platform that connects our crisis response community that have problems with providers that can offer solutions. Users of the system will be able to add problem statements, explore existing problems, make solution proposals, and discover sources of funding such as government grants and subsidies. With funding in hand, it's time for our SMEs and large industry members to get their hands dirty. Companies can rent space in the Greenhouse to take the seeds they have planted and nurture them into mature capabilities that are ready for fielding. Deploying into large governmental organizations can be difficult, so we expect our SME members will want to partner with larger organizations in our community in the final phases of a project. Although information technology will be a major focus within the Greenhouse, including cloud, mobile, and social computing, we will also encourage active innovation projects focusing on IoT, sensors and mesh networks, crisis management as a service, cognitive computing, analytics and big data, renewable energy, green IT, and microgrids, small drones and robotics, advanced user experience and process automation, and much more. The Defense Innovation Greenhouse is the right solution at the right time. As seen recently in the news, there is increasing pressure by some NATO nations on the remaining NATO nations to meet their obligation to spend 2% of GDP on defense. We believe that one of the best ways to increase defense spending is for nations to invest more heavily in defense innovation, which can have benefits not only for our soldiers and our other crisis responders, but also for those outside the crisis response community. In conclusion, our aim is to ensure that our military, first responders, and NGOs supporting crisis response have access to the best possible technologies, while at the same time providing SMEs with new opportunities for growth and improved access to government clients. Through the Defense Innovation Greenhouse, we can come together as a community and make this happen.